Get him to the side.
Come over here. Whoa.
Hey,
Here.
bring the camera up here too.
Come over here. On this side. Okay. Hit it.
What are you doing? Record up here too. Like, get this. Ooh! Get it! Go, Carter, go! Is that fun? Oh, you're playing the drums now. You're playing the drums now.
I need to blow up for
All right. Yes.
a little one.
Great.
Coming back.
Oh, we got him a blast.
Oh, you would.
Of what?
Love that.
You know, one of those little tiny pools.
Yeah. Just let him pull up and
Yeah. Oh my God. Is that fun? Is that fun? Your sneakers are soaked. Oh my goodness. Oh,
Wow.
Jonathan.
Yeah, you hit that hard, didn't you?
He's emptied it out. Okay, two hands. Go, 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 go. Yay! Good job. Woo! Spin the tire. That's the next part.
This is like a carnival.
Spin the tire. Hit the water. Win the prize. Uh-oh. More water. Grandpa, is there any more water in that? More water, Grandpa.
You want more water?
Do you want more? Do you want more?